Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change notification pop-up style in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to notifications option. After that go to notification pop-up style. Now here at the top you can see two options, brief and detail, and you can choose any option as you want. Now if you want to change your pop-up style, just tap on edge lighting style option and that's it. From here you can customize your notification pop-up style. Just tap on effect option and you can choose any effect as you like. If you want to set this effect, just tap here and that's it. And then tap on color to change your effect color. And from here you can choose any effect color as you like. If you want to set your custom color, just tap on this icon. And from here you can choose any color as you like and then tap on done, then tap on advanced. From here you can change your pop-up transparency and you can choose any level as you want, and from here you can change your notification pop-up style duration, then tap on done and it's done. Now your notification pop-up style has been changed successfully, and that is how you can change notification pop-up style in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.